Alright guys, welcome to another episode. We just had about 2 to 3 inches of rain last night from Hurricane Helene, and this is the one spot I can come that is better after a heavy rain. I go to these gutters down here in the lowlands, and after real heavy rains it actually improves the fishing, believe it or not. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to do 3 different spots. This is just the first and the worst of the 3, honestly, but I figured I may be able to pick up something right here. As I finally caught my first fish, little male bluegill, not big by any means, but it did get me on the board, I guess. One way to look at it. I'm hoping the day improves because it ain't very good yet, but the other spot could be way better than this too. This could just be completely different from the other spot. I see a lot of fish in front of me, and I know a lot of them are carp and big bass, but they are not interested. So I've had a couple panfish bites, and I know exactly where they're setting. It's getting them to bite is the problem, especially with the 15-20 mile-an-hour winds ain't helping. It's really hard to detect these bites. All right, not bad. Oh. About a pound and a half. Not bad. Heck yeah. Oh, man. Nice bass. Really colorful. Heck yeah. 2 in a row, guys. Not bad. About the same size. A little smaller than the first one, maybe. About right at a pound. Man, that's bigger than the first 2 I got. This one had been on there a while. He swallowed the hook completely. I'm gonna have to get him out with pliers, it looks like. Oh yeah, it's way down there. Oh boy. Not gonna be easy. Alright guys, this is about a pound and a half, almost 2 pounds. Not bad. I'll have to go get a hook.